This is it. Everything, and I mean everything is here. We have full complete look at the all colors of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 as well as the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Not just that, we also have the official look at the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra as well as the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. The full Unpacked mania has indeed arrived. So here we go. Let's start with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. As usual, Samsung is kicking things off with three colors, starting off with the silver, then we have navy, and finally a pink version of the Fold 6. As for the Z Flip 6, we have yellow, green, blue, and silver colors. Not gonna lie, color lineup this year is looking pretty solid. Now taking a closer look at the design of the Z Fold 6, you can tell that Samsung has definitely made this flagship fold quite a bit thinner compared to previous generations. Once again, there's not gonna be any gap, the crease is said to be improved massively, plus the outer display is even wider than before. And just like the shape of the S24 Ultra, the overall shape of the Fold 6 is looking super boxy. Let me know which one is your favorite color regarding the Fold 6 in the comments below. Now as for the Z Flip 6, the design is looking pretty much similar as last year's model, but one big visual change we have here that's looking really good is the color coordinated camera rings across all models. Not only looks prettier, but it also signifies that we have the biggest camera change on the Flip 6, now finally getting a 50 megapixel main camera sensor upgrade. Sadly, as per latest information, there aren't any camera upgrades for the Fold 6, so it's likely retaining the same camera setup as the Fold 5. Of course, some key improvements are coming with the 8 Gen 3 chip and its camera ISP, so we're bound to see some improvements for video as well as photo performance. Once again, Samsung is giving off massive discounts of up to $1,500. Definitely click the first link in the description. Now, apart from the Fold 6 and the Flip 6, we also have our first official look at Samsung's first ever Ultra watch, the Galaxy Watch Ultra, along with the standard Galaxy Watch 7. Galaxy Watch Ultra indeed has a very unique design that I kind of like, but let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Now we also have our official look at the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Gone is that Samsung iconic buds design. It's hard to ignore the fact that these look very identical to Apple's AirPods Pro. I'm hoping we're going to see some big improvements in terms of battery life as well as the audio quality. You can also take a look at the new case, which is looking very stealthy. Overall, I wish Samsung stayed with their iconic buds design, but yeah, this is the new Buds 3 Pro. So that's it for this video, a full-on official preview of what's to come at the Unpacked event happening on July 10th. I'll be there live, so definitely do hit that subscribe button and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.